In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a rectangle in Tradingview. Rectangles are one of the simplest, most reliable tools for marking zones on your chart. Whether you are highlighting support and resistance, identifying consolidation areas, or just calling out a region you want to revisit later, I'll walk you through drawing, adjusting, customizing, and removing a rectangle so it looks and behaves exactly the way you need. Start by opening your chart in Tradingview. Any symbol or time frame works here. The rectangle tool behaves the same across the platform. Once your chart is open, look to the vertical toolbar on the left side of the screen. This is where all your drawing and annotation tools live. Find the geometric shape icon on that toolbar. It looks like a basic shape indicator and may show a square or similar shape. Click it. Then click the small arrow next to it to expand the full list of shape tools. From that list, choose Rectangle. After you select it, your cursor will be ready to draw. To place a rectangle, click once on the chart where you want the first corner to start. Then, while holding the mouse button, drag outward until the rectangle covers the area you want to highlight. When it's the right size, release your mouse to place it. Think of the first click as anchoring one corner, and the drag as stretching it to your desired width and height. If you need to adjust it, select the rectangle so the small dots appear on its corners and sides. Click and drag a corner handle to change both width and height at the same time. Or use a side handle to adjust just one dimension. To move the entire rectangle without changing its size, click inside the shape and drag it to a new position on the chart. This makes refinements quick as price action evolves. To customize the look, right-click on the rectangle and select Settings. Here you can change the background color to something that stands out or blends subtly with your chart. Adjust the transparency, also called opacity, so you can still see candles and indicators beneath it. You can also modify the border style. Choose the color. Make it thicker or thinner, or switch to dashed or solid lines. So it's easy to distinguish different zones at a glance. If you no longer need the rectangle, removing it is just as simple. Right-click the rectangle and choose Remove or press the Delete key when the rectangle is selected. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.